Elon Musk has officially given the green light for production, confirming that the Model C is now in its final development stages. This isn't just another electric vehicle, it's a game changer that will disrupt the auto industry, much like the Model Y Juniper did recently. But what makes the Model C so special? Tesla is packing this budget-friendly EV with 5 groundbreaking features that will give it a competitive edge and make electric cars more accessible than ever. So, what are these 5 innovative features, and how will Tesla manage to mass produce it at such a low cost? Buckle up, we've got all the details in today's video, but before we dive in, don't forget to support Next Gen Theories by subscribing and helping us reach our goal of 5,000 subscribers. And be sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest updates on Tesla and Elon Musk. What makes the Tesla Model C 2025 a game changer? Tesla isn't just launching another EV, it's about to completely redefine the budget electric car segment with the Model C, which is expected to start at just $11,890. This compact EV undercuts competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt EUV, $27,485, and the BYD Dolphin, $19,800, by a significant margin. But how is Tesla keeping costs so low without compromising on innovation? It all starts with a completely new design philosophy. One of the biggest design changes is the removal of the Tesla T logo, a move that was previously tested on the Model Y Juniper. Musk wants Tesla vehicles to be instantly recognizable by their shape alone, much like a Porsche 911 or Ferrari 458. This means the Model C may feature dynamic sculpting similar to the Model Y's 0.23 drag coefficient, or possibly even better, thanks to its smaller size and greater focus on efficiency. The absence of branding also serves a practical purpose. It reduces production complexity and costs. These small changes, when scaled, could save Tesla millions annually. Beyond aesthetics, the Model C is also built using Tesla's next-gen gigacasting technology, which allows the entire rear chassis to be made as a single piece. In contrast, traditional automakers like Toyota or Volkswagen still assemble dozens of smaller components, which increases production time and costs. Gigacasting reduces the number of parts by over 60%, making manufacturing faster and more cost-effective. If Tesla integrates its 4,680 battery technology, already in use with the Model Y, the Model C could see up to a 20% improvement in range per kilowatt-hour compared to older battery systems. What are your thoughts on Tesla removing the iconic T logo from the Model C? Comment 1 if you think it's a smart move. Tesla's design should be instantly recognizable by shape alone, like a Porsche or Ferrari. Or comment 2 if you believe Tesla should keep the logo, as it's part of their brand identity. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. A quieter ride. Next up, the Model C is setting a new standard for quietness in budget EVs. Tesla is bringing premium cabin acoustics to this segment, making the Model C quieter than many gas-powered cars that cost twice as much. Taking inspiration from the Model Y Juniper, the Model C will likely feature multi-layered rear glass, which reduced cabin noise by 3 to 5 decibels in the updated Model Y. Considering that road noise in budget EVs like the Chevrolet Bolt EUV and Nissan Leaf can reach up to 70 decibels at highway speeds. The Model C could bring that number down to 65 decibels or lower, on par with luxury sedans like the BMW i4, which measures at 64 decibels. Tesla is also focusing on reducing NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness, with improved soundproofing materials. Traditional budget EVs often suffer from excessive road noise, as manufacturers cut corners by using thin body panels, minimal insulation, and basic rubber seals. Tesla, however, is optimizing both aerodynamic efficiency and material science by using denser acoustic foam and vibration-dampening materials in key areas. These changes don't just reduce noise, they also boost long-term durability by minimizing structural fatigue caused by excessive vibrations. The real-world benefits include less driver fatigue, better audio clarity, and an overall premium feel that no other budget EV offers. Unlike competitors like the BYD Dolphin, which still struggles with wind and tire noise at high speeds, the Model C is engineered to offer a near-luxury driving experience at an entry-level price. More range, less energy waste with HVAC efficiency and heat management. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest challenges for budget EVs, especially when it comes to heating and cooling. Tesla is addressing this directly with the Model C by integrating high-efficiency HVAC technology and a dual-layer silver-coated glass roof, features also borrowed from the Model Y Juniper. On the Model Y, this advanced glass helped reduce heat loss by 4 to 6 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, in cold weather and lowered cabin temperatures by up to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius on hot days. This reduces the reliance on energy-hungry climate control systems. Since the Model C will be a smaller vehicle with a more compact cabin, its insulation effect could be even more significant, potentially boosting real-world efficiency by at least 10 to 15 miles per charge in extreme weather conditions. HVAC systems are typically one of the biggest drains on an EV's battery, often consuming 2 to 3 kilowatt hours of energy in extreme conditions. For an EV with a 40 to 50 kilowatt hour battery, which is likely what the Model C will have, this can reduce the total range by 10 to 15% during long drives. To combat this, Tesla is introducing a redesigned HVAC system that was first tested on the Model Y Juniper. This system lowers the fan speed by 800 to 1200 RPM while maintaining the same cooling performance, significantly reducing energy consumption. If Tesla applies the same, or even more refined, low-energy climate control system to the Model C, it could cut HVAC-related energy losses by 0.5 to 0.8 kilowatt hours, potentially allowing the car to travel an extra 12 to 20 miles on a full charge compared to competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt EUV and BYD Dolphin. Bringing back the turn signal. Stock Tesla has never been afraid to rethink traditional car controls, but sometimes innovation doesn't always lead to better usability. This became clear when the company removed the traditional turn signal stalk from the Model S and Model X, replacing it with touch-sensitive buttons on the yoke steering wheel. The response was mixed. Some drivers adapted, while many, especially those transitioning from gas-powered cars, found the new design unintuitive and frustrating. In response to customer feedback, Tesla is bringing back the turn signal stalk in the Model C. When the Model Y Juniper update was announced, Tesla quietly reintroduced the traditional turn signal stalk in response to strong demand from drivers who preferred a physical control over a touch-based interface. The Model C is expected to follow this same approach, ensuring Tesla's most affordable car remains accessible to a wide range of customers, including those transitioning to EVs for the first time. Why does this matter? Ease of use. While touch-based controls may look futuristic, they often introduce delays and force drivers to take their eyes off the road to activate basic functions. Studies have shown that using physical stalks for turn signals allows for an activation time of around 0.3 to 0.5 seconds, compared to 0.8 to 1.2 seconds with touchscreen inputs. In real-world driving, this difference can be crucial for maintaining driver focus and safety. Beyond usability, reintroducing the stalk may have cost benefits. Touchscreen buttons require capacitive sensors and complex programming, while a mechanical stalk is simpler, more reliable, and cheaper to manufacture. This aligns perfectly with Tesla's goal of hitting the $11,890 starting price for the Model C. Smart sensors. Tesla's next leap in safety and AI integration. Tesla is taking in-cabin sensing to the next level with advanced biometric sensors in the Model C, designed to monitor heartbeat and breathing patterns. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a critical safety feature that can help prevent tragic accidents involving children or pets left in the car. If the system detects a problem, it will send instant alerts to the Tesla app, honk the horn, or even activate the climate control if needed, ensuring no life is put at risk due to forgetfulness or oversight. This level of human presence detection goes beyond the ultrasonic motion sensors used by many automakers today. Tesla's solution is expected to be much more precise, able to detect even a sleeping infant or small pet, something traditional infrared-based systems often struggle with. If the technology is similar to what Tesla experimented with in the Model Y Juniper, it may use a millimeter-wave radar system that can differentiate between living beings and inanimate objects, while filtering out false alarms, stopping accidents with safety technology. This technology isn't just about safety, It's also a key component for Tesla's future robotaxi fleet. For an autonomous vehicle, knowing if a passenger is present, awake, or even in distress is critical for safe operation. As Tesla's most affordable and widely accessible EV, the Model C could become a testing ground for these AI-driven advancements, making it an essential step towards the future of autonomous vehicles. How will Tesla build the cheapest EV ever? The Model C production plan and pricing breakdown. The Model C isn't just another EV. It's Elon Musk's most ambitious cost-cutting project to date. Tesla has selected Gigafactory Mexico as the primary production hub, marking a significant move in the company's efforts to revolutionize manufacturing efficiency. Unlike previous factories, this new facility will incorporate Tesla's next-generation production techniques, including gigacasting, unboxed assembly, and AI-driven automation, all designed to drastically reduce costs and speed up production. But affordability is where the Model C truly stands out. Tesla is targeting an incredible base price of around $17,897. This is a huge difference compared to the Model 3, which starts at $38,990 in the US and $42,900 in Europe. Tesla is also expected to release a limited launch edition of the Model C, featuring premium upgrades like a higher performance battery, improved interior materials, and exclusive paint options. While the exact price for this edition is still unclear, it could range from $22,000 to $25,000, depending on the configuration. Once again, Tesla is pushing boundaries with the Model C, proving that cutting-edge technology and affordability can go hand in hand. With its next-gen production techniques, advanced features, and a price that undercuts nearly every competitor, this could be the EV that changes the game. What do you think? Will the Model C's game-changing price and features be enough to dominate the market? Would you consider buying one at $17,897? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things Tesla. Share this video with your friends and family, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.